So from a retail perspective, where we're seeing the most disruption in the retail space is really across these three areas. So omni-channel. So the idea of engaging or interfacing with your customers in various methods, whether it's online or offline. Offline is not dead, as we've seen with Amazon Go. We see there's a big opportunity there where customers or users still want to go into that bricks and mortar store. But when it comes to the actual technologies, what's known as the innovation accelerators, okay, what is the enabling technology typically delivered by cloud-based platforms that's really disrupting every single industry, like I mentioned, whether it's traditional or whether it's next generation. And so there's really these 6 key areas where we're seeing these areas of disruption.
So we say, we see there's a lot of people is still looking for e-commerce, but our way of doing that is a little bit different. Okay, we are not just doing online, we're doing O2O. As Dean say, retail, the offline retail will never disappear, especially in Hong Kong. It's just how to transform it. This is what we call it our own O2O models. We work O2O models. Our shop mainly do several purpose: education center, community center, pick up point. If you look at Meifu Shenchun, the number of order pick up from shop is more than delivery. Our sales go up for 5 times before we open the shop.
At the end of the day, I think using what kind of, no matter which kind of technologies or retail technologies that you're going to use, the purpose is to enhance the experience of customer journey, and that customer journey nowadays is omni-channels retail experience. It can be a convenience, like the case in the cashier-less kiosk. Cashier-less kiosk is roughly around the same cost of a cashier counter. So it's a very low investment that most of the retailer can try.
A lot of people are concerned about privacy, right? For example, when people walk into the store, you recognize my face, you know all my online behavior and offline behavior. How do you deal with that to get that level of comfort?
From an Amazon or Amazon Web Services perspective, so us working with the different retailers and different providers, we always say that the data that they store in AWS is always going to be owned by the customer, the user.
This is a digital age. I know everything about you if you are my consumer. Sorry for that. I don't scare out you guys. But you can imagine. I know whether your family have any elderly. We know whether you have a baby. We know the size of your body based on what kind of clothing size you buy from us. Well, we know everything about you, and so please keep on buying from us.
So we kind of outsource this kind of securities or data cloud to our third party, to the big guys. They teach us actually how to do the best practice in terms of data securities, those kind of things. So I think as a retailer, we can focus on what we do best.